Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing some batch file programming. I've got a few already set up, but I'm going to show you the basics of it. So you get a new text document, such as this one here, and what you do is you open up the text document, and we're going to you go File, Save As. Now you don't go to text, you go all files. You don't have that. You type whatever you want. So I'm going to type basic. Okay, then you do .bat. If you don't do that, it won't work. Nothing will work. Let's save. Okay, so that's now basic. Okay, and we have our command here, but see, it won't work. We haven't done anything down here. We haven't done anything here. So if we want to do anything, we could make it speak. So you would type echo space hi. I mean, whoops, hi. And then yeah, and then you control S. No, control S. Saved it. And when you open this, oh, it just disappears immediately. The reason because of that is because you need a pause. Now, the thing with the pauses is you can have two types. You can have that one, or you can have pause null. Pause null gets rid of any key to continue. Okay, so if you see here, oops, oh, I forgot to save it. So see here, pause null. It just says echo hi, hi, and then pause null. So if we don't want any of this, we don't want any stuff in the way, what we would do is we would go up, go up, and up here we would type shift at echo off, and then we would save that. And now if we open this, it just says hi, and then you press any key and it goes away. So that's how you do that basic stuff. Now we're gonna show you some loops. So goto command. A goto command is basically a running track. You start at one, you go around, come to the end. And you just do that again and again and again. And basically that's like an infinite loop. So if we go at echo face off, enter, then we put, let's say, actually I'll be showing you this at the same time as the other thing. So basically if you want a title, you type title space whatever you want to call it, and that's what changes what's up here, up the top. So it's basic notepad. Title would change not this, but what's on the top of the command here. See, it has c:/windows/system32/command.exe. It will change that to whatever you put here. And I'm going to put here pop. Okay, and now you can do color, and color doesn't use, like, you can't go red. Okay, that wouldn't work. You would have to type something like 08. That would be green, or 09. That would be blue. So you have to work out all the color combinations if you want some. Then down below you would go colon loop or whatever you want there, but you have to do a colon. And then next you would go oh god no. Yes, oh yeah. You go echo and then if you want to you can just go whatever number you like. So you go 100 and then go down below and press go to yes. And see 100. It just says 100 running down the line. Just that. And I've got that wrong. A. Got green wrong. It's OA. See, it's got green just running down this. And that will go forever. So, see, I've got it moving. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Look at that one. That one down the bottom is gone. And it's just going to keep going. Now, if you don't want 100, you say, see my background? How it has all these random numbers? If you would like some random numbers, you don't have to put 100. You could put, let's say, shift, you go random set. Now you'd have to do that a lot of times across, but I'm going to show you what this does just once. So if I were to open my batch file now, see it has a whole load of random numbers just going down the side. The reason why we do it multiple times is because it links it across the screen. So what we'll do is you'll get this, Control C, to copy it, space Control V, oops, Control V, space Control V, space Control V, space Control V. About that long, and then you push Control S, and then you would open up Basic. Got that much now. Now I'm just going to do that a few more times. A bit more times. Yeah, and that's basically what you do. That's all I'm doing, I think. Two more times. Three, just to be sure. Oh, I forgot to save it. Control S. There. I need to go back. Too far. So you can just take away those and that one. S. That should be perfect. So now you open up your basic file and you have a whole load of random numbers. Now I'm just going to remark. See how it's just random 4-digit numbers, sometimes even 5-digit numbers. It's just random 4 or 5-digit numbers. By the way. Okay. No, not music. Don't tell me I clicked on my music. That's not really music. No, it just does that, and that's how I got my background. So yeah, that's that. For number loops and basicness. So that's gonna go into my programming thing. Now, in here I have a whole load of stuff, so I'm just gonna basically show you. See how it has, that's the same thing I've got here. That's the same thing as I have in basic. Basic, and that's the same thing. Someone just delete basic. Okay, you got YouTube, test, Tekkit stuff, with program starter, paint, and conversation. Basically these are all advanced versions of what I've done here. Well, not what I've done there, but like stuff like that. So if I go file or right click here, edit. See, that's basically what I've done. So echo off color 08 CLS. That's meant to be color. A. Control S. CLS. Echo, time to go. Pause null. CLS. Echo, no. Pause null. CLS. Echo, go or else. Pause null. CLS. Echo, okay. Pause null. So basically, that's just going, because if you didn't put the pauses there, what this would say is skip all of this stuff and go right to the last one because there's a pause. So it would go so fast you wouldn't be able to see it. But if you put a pause there, it will go like this. So it says time to go, and then you press any key, and it says no, and then you press any key again, and it says go or else, and then you press any key again. Okay. So that's the basics of this sort of talking stuff. Next episode, I'm going to be doing some more batch files, or maybe something else. See you